Hello students, in this video we will discuss a very important program, that is the multiplication of two matrices. First we will discuss the logic part, that means how we are going to approach this problem, then we will discuss the C program for the same. So what we will do, we will just take the values of matrix A first, then the values of matrix B, and then we will calculate the matrix C, which will be the multiplication of these two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. Then we will print the values of all these three matrices, matrix A, then matrix B, and then the product matrix, that is matrix C. So to understand this, we have two matrices here, matrix A and matrix B of size 3 cross 3. So the resultant matrix, which is the product matrix, will also be a size of 3 cross 3. 3 rows and 3 columns. Suppose the name of this matrix is C. And now suppose if I want to calculate the value of this element, this is what? This is C00. So to calculate this value, the elements of row 0 from matrix A will be multiplied by the elements of column 0 from matrix B. So this element will be multiplied by this one, and this will be multiplied by this one, this will be multiplied by this one, and then we will add all these elements to get the value of C00. So this will be the formula. And to calculate this element, this is what? This is C01. We need to multiply the elements of row 0 from matrix A to the elements of column 1 of matrix B. You see here, this index tells the row number of matrix A, and this index tells the column number of matrix B actually, and all the elements of this row will be multiplied by the column of this matrix. Like if I want to calculate, let's say, the element this one, this is what? C20. Then we have to take the elements of row 2 from matrix A and the elements of column 0 from matrix B. This will be multiplied by this one, then this will be multiplied by this one, and this will be multiplied by this one, and will be added all these numbers. Like if I want to calculate, let's say, this element C11, then we have to multiply the elements of row 1 from matrix A with the elements of column 1 from matrix B. If I want to calculate, let's say, this element C20, then row 2 column 0, row 2 of matrix A, column 0 of matrix B. If I want to calculate, let's say, this C10, then row number 1 from matrix A, column number 0 from matrix B. That means if I want to calculate Cij, then from matrix A we have to choose row number I, and we will multiply the elements of row I with the jth column of matrix B. So this will tell the row number of matrix A, and this will tell the column number of matrix B. And first this value will be 0, then both of these values will be 1, then both of these values will be 2 actually. So what will be the general formula? So these are all the values individually, and the general formula will look like this. So to calculate Cij, basically we have to multiply the elements of ith row with the elements of jth column of matrix P. And first this value will be 0, then these values will be 1, and then these values will be 2. So if I want to generalize this, we can write like this. And again, if I choose a variable say k, then this Cij will be equal to Cij plus Aik into Bkj, where k will be executed from 0 to 2. So the first value of k will be 0, then first element of row I will be multiplied by first element of column J from matrix B, then k will become 1. So the first element means element at index 1 of ith row from matrix A will be multiplied by the element at index 1 of column J from matrix B. When k will become 2, so AI2 will be multiplied by B2J. That means index 2, the element which is at index 2 at row I will be multiplied by the element at index 2 in column J from matrix B. So this will be the general formula to calculate the value of Cij. So here is the program. First we will declare all the three matrices A, B, C and variables I, J and K. Then we will scan all the values of matrix A, then we will scan all the values of matrix B, and this is the logic to calculate the matrix C, which will be the product of matrix A and matrix B. Then we can print the output matrix C like this. So you see, this is the basic fundamental concept to calculate the matrix C, which is the product of matrix A and matrix B actually. So this is the program for this. Here I am declaring three matrices A, B and C and three variables I, J and K. Then here is the scanning of the elements of matrix A. Then this is the scanning of elements of matrix B, and here is the logic part in which we are calculating the matrix C. Then we are printing the values of matrix A, then the values of matrix B, and finally the values of matrix C. So let's run this program. So we have to enter the elements of matrix A. Let's say the values of matrix A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the elements of matrix are, let's say, 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6 and 9, and here are the values of matrix A, values of matrix B and values of matrix C, and you can verify the output also. So I hope with this you all are able to understand the concept of multiplication of matrices, the approach which we have followed, and the program for the same also. Thank you.